To solve this, you will have to draw the two graphs of y is equals to e to the x and y is equals to 5 minus 2x, and that you of course can only do using your calculator. So you go to your calculator and plot the graph y equals e right there, and that's e to the x, close bracket, and then draw the other graph of y equals 5 minus 2x. And when you draw those two graphs, they should look like that. That's 5 minus 2x, that is e of x. So you are actually looking for the point where these two graphs meet. That's y is equals to e to the x, and this is y is equals to 5 minus 2x. The point of intersection you're looking for is that point there. So going back to your calculator, you're looking for point of intersection, which is number 5 in the drop down menu. It will ask you for the first curve. Just bring it as close as possible to that point. Ask for the second curve, do the same thing and enter twice, and that value is x is equals to 1.058 blah blah blah, which is 1.06. Oh, but it actually asks for 4 significant figures, and therefore that's 1.059. So that point there is 1.059 because of the 4 significant figures. Incidentally, you could also draw a single graph. That is, instead of drawing two graphs, y is equals to e to the x, you could draw the graph of y is equals to e to the x minus 5 plus 2x. That is, what I've actually done is brought all these to the other side to make y is equals to e to the x minus 5 plus 2x, which will give you a graph. Again, you go to your GDC, y equals, I don't want these ones, so I will deselect them. Now I want to draw the graph of y is equals to e to the x minus 5 plus 2x, and if I graph that, that's a kind of graph that I will get. And in this case, instead of looking for a point of intersection, I'm looking for the x value or the 0 of that graph. So in the drop down menu of second function of calculate, I'm looking for number 2, which is 0, and that will ask me for a left bound, right bound, and that value is going to be the same value of 1.059. So whichever one of these two methods you use, you should get the same result.